Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I take out these 3-month-old braids. If you saw my last hair video, you would see that I installed these mini braids and then braided my box braids on top of them. I have super high porosity hair and this makes my braids last longer. I took out the original box braids that I did around the 6-week mark. They still looked really good. I just wanted a new look and to add some color. I washed my hair and then installed these new braids, and now it's time to take them out. I always start by examining the braid to see where my natural hair stops, and then I cut about 2 inches under that. I do this to avoid cutting my own hair. I'm low-key liking the bob look, but I definitely need to wash my hair. To take them out, I either comb through or unravel the braids, or a combination of both, whatever is needed. As you can see, the braids slide right out. This is the amount of new growth I got in that 3-month time. I also have a lot of buildup of jam and edge control, and it's making my roots really stiff. I need to wash my hair. Before I can do that though, I need to safely take out my braids and separate my roots. I tried several different methods, starting with this mane and tail conditioner that I was recommended online. For me, using this product to separate my roots was a big mistake. It took me 35 minutes just to get through this one braid. Never again in life. This was the amount of hair I lost using this method, which did not bother me as much as the time did. This next product was a no for this purpose as well. Not that it's not a great leave-in conditioner, I just wouldn't use it to separate my roots after having braids in for a couple months. It worked well and it only took me like 5 minutes to go through the braids, but I just know that there's a better method. That's why I will not try this one again either. This is the hair that came out from this braid. I'm gonna twist up the braid to keep it out of the way and keep going. This is the product I used to take out the remainder of my braids. It's a shea butter mixture and it worked really well. If you wanted to, you can make your own by just putting shea butter in a mixer, but I had this one on hand. This is the amount of hair I lost using this method. I changed locations, but I wanted to show the speed I used when taking out my hair and separating my roots. I am not rushing. I take my time and make sure I'm caring for every strand or I will cause more breakage than necessary. This is the amount of hair I lost total. Given that we shed daily, this honestly is not a lot, so I'm expecting a lot more to come out in the shower. To prep for my wash, I'm taking out all of these twists that I did to keep my hair out of the way when I was taking out the braids. I start my wash by wetting my hair and raking my fingers through to try to get any initial loose hair out. I want to avoid it knotting up the rest of my hair. To wash, I'm using my BioTerra Anti-Frizz shampoo and conditioner combo. They both, but especially the conditioner, have a lot of slip. And since my hair, I'm expecting a lot of shedding, that is what I need. I slow down the speed just to show that I'm not rushing because I know that will cause more breakage. I'm expecting a lot of shedding from my hair. I know that I probably missed a lot of knots when I was going through, so I just want to make sure I'm being careful with my hair and not causing excess breakage. Next, I go in with the conditioner, and this is usually where I detangle. However, on this particular day, I was very low on conditioner. So I did what I could as far as finger detangling, but overall I realized that I just didn't have enough product to try to accurately detangle my hair. Not wanting to give up, I reached for my Texture ID Coils Detangling Conditioner. But overall, while I do love this product, it just did not have the slip I needed to detangle my hair. Rather than force it and causing more breakage than needed, I chose to just finger detangle and make my hair presentable enough for a Sally's run. After I got out the shower, I put in some leave-in conditioner because I did not want dry hair. Now, this is just to last me until I get my detangling shampoo and can go through my hair the way I need to. These are my results for now. While it's by no means perfect, I hope what you take from this video is that you just have to have patience with your hair and do what works for you. Take the time to know your hair so that you don't use products that don't work and you know when a product's not working for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out to Sally's, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments you have below and please subscribe. Thanks for your time.